No, so those are birds like freaking right over here, right over there. Yeah. Those birds were freaking beautiful as crap. They left though, but dang man. Guys, I just wanted to show y'all that beautiful, beautiful moment. They were like, one was right over here. I have like kind of proof it was like digging in there. It was kind of digging. It was like digging in our dirt. What was it? Digging in our dirt, like right over. Where was it? So if you're sitting here, but like right here, guys. See this little dent? It's like an indent. Oop, go inside. See? Right there. Right. See, it's like an indent, and then you go in. That's where it was digging, and then he went right up here. Then guys, the one of them came